What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. So today we're gonna be trying to pull off the little painted caps on these old rims and see if we can get them cleaned up. Call me crazy or whatever, but I bought the car with the wheels. I'm gonna see if I can save them. Chrome won't come back. We might powder coat them. We might do something crazy. Same color as the car, depending on how we paint it. Hey, but y'all just stay tuned, man. I appreciate y'all rocking with me. Today we're gonna be trying a acid product on here. I'll put the link in the description of the product and see if it works. If it works, y'all can use it on old rims too. So yeah, so y'all just stay tuned and we'll get right into this video right after the intro. Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a topic. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Alright guys, so most of them are breaking loose, but I need two hands to do this job. So as y'all can see, they're all damaged, like the center cap pieces. They're all melted and tore up, but we can get this chrome to come back with that acid. Shoot, I'll just keep the wheels. By the way, they're 28-inch wheels, 72 Buick LeSabre. So Bert. So if y'all didn't watch the last video, but anyways, they're breaking loose pretty easy, but I did bring a torch just in case some of them get real tight on me. I'll be able to heat them up from the back side, not on the plastic, but from the back side. The hole goes all the way through, so I'll be able to heat them up and see if we can get them broke loose. Then once I get all the plastic off of here and the plastic center cap, I'll hit them with the acid and then see if it comes clean. If not, we'll just get them sandblasted and powder coated the same color as the car. So alright guys, y'all stay tuned. Let me get these off real quick. What takes the longest sometimes is finding your tools. But anyways, I found my impact gun. All of them broke loose pretty free. Don't put your impact gun on there in the beginning. If you break one of these, that's it. It'll be stuck in that hole. You have to try to drill it out, do all kinds of crazy stuff. So I did soak them 2 days, and that's what all this stuff is. WD-40. So, and then if that didn't work, we're just gonna use the torch. But anyways, I'm gonna start knocking them off. They all broke loose, so I'm gonna get this whole piece pulled off and I'll turn y'all back on. Alright guys, well, we did it. Got everything off. So man, these ain't been off of here in 5 years. The dude I bought the car from got in a little trouble, so this car set up for 5 years. Man, I can't believe them came off really that easy. I just soaked them for 2 days in that WD-40 and they came off. Everything's still good. So it's finna get dark. I might hit it with the acid, see what it does. If it get dark, I'll turn y'all back on tomorrow and let y'all check it out. We're ready to go. I got my mixture mixed up. So it's 2 to 1 on this stuff, guys. I got a face shield right there. I got gloves on. I got a brush. Yeah, don't play with this stuff. I don't want nobody to get hurt watching my video. But it's Auto Magic and it's called Spoke. And yeah, it's acid, man. So it's no joke. All right, guys. Y'all seeing this working? That's how you bring old rims back to new. My battery's getting ready to go dead, so let me show y'all from that to this. Ain't that crazy? Look how clean that is. So, but it's nothing to play with. Y'all be safe with it. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit more and I'll turn y'all back on. Alright guys, that's it for today. But just to show y'all how to bring some old rims back from the grave. That's how you do it. That is how you do it right there. Look at the difference. Look at all that corrosion and everything. Alright, so this Custom Instinct signing off. If y'all decide to do that, make sure y'all be safe with it. That acid ain't no joke, so. Alright, see y'all in the next video. Peace.